How to upload files to Google Drive. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser. In the search bar, search for drive.google.com and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, at the very left side corner, you will be able to find a plus button that says new. Tap onto it and just like that, and choose file upload if you want to upload a single file, or simply choose folder upload if you want to upload an entire folder. After that, you want to go ahead and simply select the file from your computer and then tap on open. And just like that, the upload will start automatically. You can see the progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. When the upload finishes, you can go ahead and simply right click onto it, tap on the share button, then simply tap on copy link. And then you can go ahead and share this link to the person you would like to share this folder with. That's it. Your files are now safely stored in the cloud and accessible from anywhere. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.